Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial today, we are going to start a new discussion on HTML elements. So quickly, let's get started. And don't forget, we are coming from the beginners to the advanced level of the HTML elements. So today, we are talking about one of the advanced level of the HTML elements. So quickly, let's continue. HTML image maps is what we are talking about today. With HTML image maps, you can create clickable areas on an image, simple as ABC. You can do what? You can create clickable areas on an image with HTML image maps. So for example, the HTML map element, the map tag, defines an image map. An image map is an image with clickable areas. The areas are defined with one or more area tags. That is to say, the map element here doesn't go alone. It works along with the area tags. You are going to see how it works. That is, when you define the map tag, you are going to use the area tags also. You can use one or more area tags to get your coordinates. So that is to say, whenever you click anywhere on this image here, it's going to discuss about the image or the thing you are clicking. Anything you click here is going to discuss about it. That is the definition. When you click the computer, phone, or the copy in the below image, it's going to tell you something about the thing you click. That's the benefit of using it. Quickly, let's give an example, because we are still going to talk about this in deeper way. So this is the code. Let's quickly copy this and use it and see how it goes. Save our document. Let's see our document. This is how our document looks. In our former tutorial, we discussed about this icon. If you don't know how we got here, just go and watch our former tutorial where we discussed about the icon on top here. So quickly, let's reload our document. It's empty right now. So quickly, let's paste our code here. I press Ctrl V to press the code and save it. When I save it, let's go and reload it. Now, see what we are seeing here. So the funniest part is that whenever you click this image, it's going to direct you to somewhere. Can you see? It says error, right? Go back. The reason why it says error is because of the when you click it here, it says error because the HTML here you are seeing here is not HTML. This is HTMT. It's not HTML file. So that is, this browser cannot read this type of file. So now let's go back and change our document. Now, can you see? Now let's change it to HTML. Can you see? HTML. Can you see? Don't make the mistake. I purposely did it so you can be able to understand how it goes. So here also the HTML is showing there, but now when we go back to our document and refresh our document, it's going to take us to the page correctly now. So let's click on this laptop and see what is going to happen. Can you see? It took us to this laptop page. Can you see this another content here? You see computer.html here. So let's go back again. Let's press this phone. It will take us to somewhere again. Can you see? It took us to the phone. Can you see the phone.html that we created? So now let's take a look at this one also. Let's go to coffee. Can you see? It took us to the coffee page also, the coffee.html page. So let's go back. This is what we are talking about. It's part of the advanced level on the HTML elements. Don't forget, we are coming from the beginner level to the advanced level. So we are going to discuss much more about this in our next tutorials. We are going to short this series like this because I don't want it to get too long. So try to understand. You are going to use the image element here along with what? You are going to use the map element here along with area tags. So it depends on how many area tags you want to put there. So I'm going to explain this further in our next tutorial. So How let's take a look here. How does it work? The idea behind an image map is that you should be able to perform different actions depending on where in the image you click. To create an image map, you need an image and some HTML code that describes the clickable areas. That is, we have this now. Anywhere we specify, if you mention this place, in our code, this place, when we click it, this place is going to display something. If we mention this place also, this place is going to display something. If you mention this phone, if we know where we can, if we mention the keyboard buttons here one by one in our code, it's going to display something. So I'm going to tell you about this in the future tutorial. So I think we are going to stop here. Once again, Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.